I received this email from Systemeio saying 2 days ago you exceeded the limits of the starter plan, which is the plan I'm on. To stay on the same plan, please visit the price plan page and reduce the usage of the resource that you've exceeded. And I'm like, what? If you do nothing, your price plan will be upgraded to webinar in 2 days, which I don't want that to happen because I'm okay with the plan I have. I don't want to pay more. I emailed them about it and they replied. In their reply, they stated that they've sent an email a while ago concerning this update, but when I checked, I did not find it. You have 4 active funnels and 21 inactive funnels. See the image below, which totals 25 funnels. Even though I have 4 active funnels, these inactive funnels are counted as part of my active funnels, which is not cool. I'll show you how to solve this problem. Click on funnels. As you can tell, I have only 4 active funnels. I'll show you the exceeding chart. Hover over your avatar and click on settings. I'll right click on this page, go to my plan. As you can tell right here, I'm supposed to have 10 funnels, but I have 23. That's why it's red, which means I've gone over it. And if I don't do anything, they'll push me to webinar, which I don't want to pay that. I'll show you how to delete it and we'll come here and check. I'll go back here and you go to the active session. Let me X off this. So you see this, select, click on it and go to inactive and filter. When you filter it, these are all funnels that I'm not using. For instance, this is a test funnel. I use this for my tutorials. Hover over the menu and I'll delete it. Confirm. Remember, we have 23. If I reload, it's gonna be 22. See, that means I have to go back and keep deleting stuff that I don't need. Hover this, make money and delete. Confirm. When I go back, reload, it's gonna be 21. This is the problem. I don't know why Systemeio is taking this route, but I like Systemeio compared to my WordPress website. It's fast and WordPress is complicated. I've decided to use this as my #1 website builder. I have to delete everything. I'll do that. Quick hover, delete. I have 2 more left. If for some reason you want to reactivate your funnel, I'll show you quick. Because when you hover, let's say this one, if I hover and I click view, see it's inactive. But if I hover and I click activate, it's gonna be reactivated. It's gonna go live, but I don't want to do that. I'm deleting this one as well. I don't want to delete this. I want to reactivate it. If I go here, hover and I activate, confirm, you'll see when I go back and view, bam, it's live again. I'll close it and I'll go back to my funnels. Let's check how much. We have 19, but when I reload, I have 5 funnels. It's because when I go back and click on funnels reload, I have 5 instead of the 4 I had before. This is the one I activated a second ago. If you've exceeded your plan funnels, this is how you delete, reactivate, or whatever you don't need, junks in their system or inactive funnels and websites. Not good for the performance of their system. This is for our benefit. I like Systemeio and it's the best website builder I've ever used. I'll drop the link in the description box if you don't have an account already. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.